For the last 1 year, ASN Fuels, a startup company from Bangalore, and IIT Tirupati have been working on developing technology for second generation bioethanol at their pilot plant facility in Tirupati. During their extensive research on ethanol production from biomass like corn cobs, sugarcane bagasse, etc., a couple of patentable technologies were developed. An investment to a tune of 1 crore rupees has been put in by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL. Today, it has been a payoff day in the sense that the add-on reactor technology has been proposed for sugar factories to produce ethanol from waste bagasse in addition to molasses-based ethanol. It is a common knowledge that sugarcane from agriculture is taken to sugar factory and sugar is produced by a well-established process. What is also known to everyone is that sugar factories can produce ethanol from molasses. Currently, it is providing 50% ethanol for the 20% ethanol blending in petrol as a target of the government. Now, what is not known to everyone is that ethanol can be produced from bagasse also. Its technology is under the domain of waste to energy. Going by the government's mandate to expedite E20 fuel, that is to have 20% blending of ethanol in petrol by 2025. It is thought of as a service to nation that this ASN add-on reactor technology can be adopted by the sugar factories in India to deliver the much needed additional quantities of ethanol. It is well known that ethanol from biomass as a substitute for fossil fuel like petrol is a great benefit in safeguarding the environment from carbon dioxide as well as saving foreign exchange to a great extent. The ASN add-on reactor concept is as follows. A general sugar factory receives sugar cane. It is crushed to yield sugar cane juice, which is concentrated in evaporators and crystallized to produce sugar. This process produces molasses and bagasse as intermediary and byproduct. In addition to sugar, ethanol is also produced in sugar factory by carrying out fermentation of molasses and further distillation in an ethanol complex. The bagasse, being in very large quantity, is burnt in a large boiler to produce electricity, which is partially utilized in sugar factory itself, and remaining is exported to nearby power grid. Now, the proposal is the ASN add-on reactor technology, which technically can be called as saccharification, which transforms bagasse into sugars and which in turn is supplied to ethanol complex, and that doubles the production capacity of ethanol by the sugar factory. As depicted by the color coding, the green line is sugar production, blue line is current ethanol production, and it can be labeled as 1G ethanol production. And the red line is the ASN's add-on reactor technology that can be labeled as 2G ethanol production line. Instead of starting afresh in a greenfield plant for 2G ethanol, this ASN add-on reactor technology gives a quick return on investment and continuous production throughout the year as benefit to the sugar factory investors. The process flow sheet for ASN add-on reactor technology can be explained as follows. As seen in the picture, bagasse is a fibrous biomass, and in powder form it has large specific surface area so that the subsequent reaction steps will give high yield owing to availability of large surface area between bagasse and the added biochemicals. This is followed by pretreatment, where a thermochemical process is carried out to decouple lignin from cellulose. In the subsequent step of washing, the lignin is washed away, making large fraction of cellulose available for conversion of cellulose to glucose in the subsequent enzymatic hydrolysis step. Following this, filtration is carried out to obtain glucose solution as filtrate. This glucose solution is equivalent to dilute molasses that can be supplied to ethanol complex for production of ethanol. This glucose solution eventually gives ethanol at 15% yield on dry mass basis of bagasse. The advantages of ASN add-on reactor technology are the idle time in sugar factories ethanol complex can be utilized to the best use. The present 3 billion liters per year production of ethanol in the country can be doubled with a minimum capital investment. Instead of a greenfield plant for ethanol, the bagasse can be used to produce ethanol. It may require only 7 to 8 months of integrating the ASN add-on reactor technology into existing sugar factories. A policy to minimize bagasse usage for boiler can greatly facilitate the doubling of ethanol production in the nation, which is of much need to meet the E20 and flexi-fuel mandate of the government. To conclude, ASN Fuels Private Limited with collaboration of IIT Tirupati has developed a suitable add-on reactor technology based on their research at pilot plant located in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. The entire team is thankful to HPCL for their foresighted investment in promoting the 2G bioethanol research at the pilot plant scale. We look forward to technology commercialization for interested sugar factory managements. Thank you very much.